The police in Clarendon continue to plead with residents to take quarantine measures seriously. We have more in this report from Kirk Wright.
The security forces in Clarendon have their hands full. They're presently enforcing orders for a state of emergency, a quarantine in Cornpea settlement, and a nightly curfew. The police high command in the parish said they have not made any arrests for the breaches of the curfew orders, but
once we have the town closed down, we usually move into the communities where we'll see some amount of disobedience from time to time. But generally in the township, I'm pleased at the response of residents, and I would have to commend them so far. It has been good for Clarendon.
Superintendent Christopher Phillips further explained that the wide operations in the crime-hit parish are ongoing. However, the crime fighters have been briefed on how to deal with some cases that could require personal contact with suspects. This as a precaution against contracting COVID-19.
We implore members to exercise good judgment. There are some things that we can proceed by summons, so we tend to limit the contact unless it's absolutely necessary at the time, but we try our best to minimize it.
In the meantime, some worrying news for health officials, Clarendon and the wider country. The efforts to contain the spread of the COVID-19 are being undermined by a few ill-advised residents. Member of Parliament Pernell Charles Jr. said breaches are reported from the area. The matter has been brought to the attention of the security teams.
We have received some information, some unfortunate information, that there are one or two who have been venturing out. And so, it is actually those who are within the zone who have been providing me with that information. And so we've spoken to the security forces, and we're doing what we can to make sure that we satisfy their needs so that there's no need to go out of the quarantine zone.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.